Want to earn money online in the USA by tapping into the stock market? In 2026, one of the hottest side hustles is AI-powered stock research. With AI tools, you can analyze companies, spot trends, and even sell your insights to other investors. Why it's trending? Retail investing is booming. Millions of Americans are trading stocks and ETFs, but they need guidance. AI makes it possible for side hustlers to provide affordable, data-driven insights. Step 1. Use AI tools. AI financial analyzers summarize earnings reports. AI sentiment trackers scan news and social media. AI charting tools highlight buy/sell signals. Step 2. Create research products. Weekly stock watch lists. Simple breakdowns of earnings calls. Beginner-friendly guides on trending sectors like AI, green energy, or biotech. Step 3. Platforms to sell. Publish on Gumroad, Patreon, or Substack. You can also offer premium Discord groups or newsletters. Step 4. Monetize. Charge subscriptions $10 to $30 per month. Sell one-time reports. Offer consulting calls for higher fees. Earning potential. Creators in the USA are making $1,000 to $12,000 per month, depending on audience size. Niche reports like AI stocks under $20 or green energy ETFs are especially popular.